Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from My Style Spot, and today I'm here to share something really exciting with you. In the last year, I've really become obsessed with doing gel nail polish manicures at home, and it was really intimidating for the longest time. The first time I tried it was about 3 years ago, and I had a terrible time, and I was like, never again. But in the meantime, I have learned one amazing secret, which I'm going to share with you, that will make all the difference in how much you will love doing a gel manicure at home and how much more better it will look and easier it will be. So stay tuned for that. But for right now, I just want to share with you guys, like, one of the other biggest differences is also the nail dryer. I've tried several nail dryers over the last few years, and some just aren't going to quite cure the polish as well. So I'm really excited to share with you like this fabulous winner that I am absolutely loving. I've been using the last couple weeks, and it is amazing, and it's made a huge difference in my gel nail polish at home, my gel manicure. So it is the Larmhoy UV nail lamp, and it is a 60 watt 30 UV LED professional nail lamp dryer. And it also has like these really cool features, so you can choose 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds for a lower heat mode, or to just keep on to adjust the light source from white to red light. And it also turns on automatically when you put your nails in there. I don't have it plugged in, but when you plug it in, it'll turn on automatically just by putting your hands in there. So very simple and easy to use. So I love the 3 setting. The nails dry completely. I've been very impressed with how quickly you can do the 30 or 60 second. I prefer 60 second, but it will cure in 30, and just very, very easy. And this is a great dryer so that you won't get blackening or burning either. And also another tip for burning, I'm going to share with you as well, because sometimes when you use a gel nail polish, you'll notice that it burns when you stick it in. So I've got another tip for you there. But this dryer is also going to keep down on that as well. When doing gel nails at home, the biggest tip is to apply thin, light coats. This is going to keep the nail from feeling that burning sensation you often get with dryers. And it's also going to give you the longest lasting manicure, and it's going to cure perfectly and not goop. So I start with a base coat, and I will cure then for a minute and then do a coat of nail polish like I'm doing here. And I usually find that 2 coats is the best. So I'll do about 2 coats of nail polish, cure after each coat, and then apply a top coat. You still want to use a base and a top coat when doing gels, and cure after each time you set polish. So the Larmhoy dryer, which is a beauty and home tools awesome seller on Amazon, with their product, the nail dryer, you also get these gloves that are going to protect your skin from the UV and LED light. So that's amazing. I've never seen that come with a nail dryer. And you also get a glass file, which is really awesome. Glass files are my favorite for sure. Absolutely love them. The Larmhoy nail dryer also has a detachable base for easy cleaning. And you can see all these lights in here. It has 30 strategically placed lights, so you don't get a dead zone. It's going to give you a nice even cure of your hands or toes, whichever you decide to use in this dryer. And you're just going to get an amazing overall look. It has 50,000 hours of lifetime as well, so this thing is going to last you a really long time too. It comes in white, black, or pink, and if you check them out on Amazon, they have so many 5-star reviews. People are loving it. It's not just me. This is a really great nail dryer that's really going to give you the best manicure, best pedicure, and it's going to save you time and money as well. Going to the salon can be very expensive, and you need a curing lamp. If you do gel at home, for sure, it's just not going to cure without it. So you absolutely have to have that. But this is a really great, inexpensive dryer that you can use that is going to save you time and money. So I love it. It's very easy to use. And right now, the generous seller is giving me a 30% off coupon code to share with my followers. So you can get this at 30% off from now until the end of January. And check out the code below for that as well, and the link to buy it on Amazon. So I know you guys are gonna love this nail dryer. It's been so easy to get the perfect manicure. I've loved using it. It just saves me time and money. I don't have to go to the salon, but I can get salon quality results at home. And if you haven't used gel, like, it'll go a week without chipping, sometimes 2. My biggest tip is if you're cleaning in your house or doing dishes, be sure to wear gloves. That seems to be the worst way that's gonna make them chip really quickly. But gel nail polish, I'm obsessed. I cannot get enough of it. I will definitely stick with the gel polish and doing it at home. And obviously, of course, Alarm Hoy nail dryer, which is fantastic. So be sure to check them out. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.